Hi, I'm Kirly-sue, and today I'm going to be making another quick and easy, tasty, plant-based recipe just for you. So today's recipe is... If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click and subscribe down here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every time I upload a new plant-based, which is also vegan, video just like this one. Please don't forget also to comment in the comment section below so you can let me know, is there a particular recipe you would like me to make a video for? Or is there a particular ingredient you usually add to a particular recipe that you'd like me to know about? You know, because we can all learn together. I mean, I know a lot of different recipes, but different people always use different ingredients, and every day is a school day, so I'm always willing to learn. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.